I know how to say it, but when I open my mouth, nothing comes out. My hands sweat, my voice shakes, and I feel like everyone's judging me. If that sounds like you, you're not alone. Many English learners feel nervous, scared, or embarrassed when speaking. Even after years of studying, something feels stuck. What's really happening? It's not because your English is bad, it's because your brain is protecting you. When we speak a second language, especially in front of others, we feel vulnerable. We're afraid of being wrong, being laughed at, or being misunderstood. This fear is real, and it's called language anxiety. What it feels like? You know the word, but it won't come out. Your heart races. You feel stupid, even though you're not. You stay quiet, even when you want to speak. Here's how to deal with it. You don't need to be perfect. Nobody cares if you forget a word or say something wrong. Most people are kind. They'll still understand you. Start small. Even one sentence is brave. Say good morning to someone. Order coffee in English. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to happen. Don't practice to impress. Practice to connect. You're not performing. You're communicating. Be real, even if it's broken English. Practice speaking alone. Talk to yourself. Record your voice. Watch English videos and repeat. You'll get more confident without pressure. You don't need a perfect accent. You don't need big words. You just need the courage to try. Every time you speak, even a little, you grow. Be proud of that.